Welcome back into the workshop, and a wee bit of a update, you could say. I have assembled the MFT style of top. Bottom layer, top layer. I've got in place a couple of items that I will be wanting to make use of the MFT top as an assembly table and a jig assembly table. And as part of that, this was why I wanted to make the bigger section of the MFT panel here. Although having now made it, I realised that I may have to remake and make another one, not much of an effort really, to be able to make this work properly. This is one of the very similar jigs, are just a different size, but they've been constructed in a manner that holds firmly, in this case on 3 sides, in this case on 4 sides. I'd have to pull this out. Let's just do that. This jig here holds on 4 sides the components that I require assembly. That's done for a very specific reason, and that's to align these 2 components dead flush. So as I'm assembling it and I put the cross, the black pieces there in place, if they're not dead flush, it shows up. So it's a, like misregistration, or, so I can trim them and get them to fit. So that's why that is, and this has been sitting around for probably 6 months now. It's good to be able to go grab the jig and put it back in place, and they're the same size. They haven't altered. You wouldn't want that. This one, however, is a 3-sided one where you can push down on this area here to affect a similar outcome. I prefer this one. Anyway, the idea being was I've got a plate, part of the MFT top, that can be put in and taken, put in or taken out as and when needed, and it doesn't affect anything else because the other parts hold it. So I can easily pull the pins out and then remove this. And remove it I might have to, because I'm thinking, here's the practicality. I'm just going to go grab I should talk more about the MFT top, but that might be a separate video. Very, very happy. Oh, just briefly, I put the 2 layers, the bottom layer together. It's just doweled together. I then put the 5 panels in place with 16 dowels, the 35mm, 20mm round dowels, and all 16 went in perfectly. Now, perfect and absolutely perfect, just a little bit different. That one, and that one panels were put together with the slightly undersized wobbly pins, but when you put them all in, they don't move anywhere. This one, the grey one, and this end one were put in with the 0 tolerance pins, effectively 0 tolerance. When that goes in, it's firm. And I'll tell you what, there is absolutely no wriggle in either this panel or that panel. I actually recorded it before, but I've deleted it. I showed, like putting those pins in. They were randomly, the points where I've put them in are randomly chosen, so I wasn't finding one that works. But once you put the panels together, any subsequent one, well, it's going to have to be pretty darn accurate for the pins to be able to go in, and they did. Whew, I can tell you. It's a bit of a relief, to be fair. This, by the way, was the very first time I've assembled all the components of the tops. So you can kind of understand that, like people that have done this sort of thing before, they'd be going, oh, get on with something new. I did that 10, 15 years ago. That's fine. Today was my first attempt. And because of the issues that I was trying to prevent, they didn't occur, or didn't, they weren't, there's nothing that occurred that was an impediment to me. Right. part of the requirement for these jigs is that I'm able to get a drill in like this to drill said holes. If I can't get the drill down into the right position and therefore angle, the screws, or the fittings, but the screws will go off on an angle that may not be good. So I need to make sure that, like this, this is elevated by the 18 millimeters. If I go to use this, I don't have that advantage. I don't have it elevated at all unless I come right to the edges, which means having to, and this is something I don't want to do but may have to, I may have to make a pad like this, a plate, exactly the right size so that I can cut out these little notches to allow my drill to go in. Remembering, this will be the MFT top, but I won't be able to drop my drill down to the right height. This is effectively elevating the item there so that I can drill it, and I would like a little bit more even than 18 mil. So yes, 25 would be quite good, wouldn't it? Don't have many large panels of 25 anymore. Oh, how sad. Might have to look for some. Right, that's where we're at. Yes, well, that's what I was saying. This may have to have, now that I'm looking at it, may have to have a slight variation. The fact that the rails on the jig are very firmly screwed down means that the equivalent that will go on here will have to be pretty darn tight to stop the pressures exerting onto it and distorting it. These pins probably will work. They'll definitely work if I had a bigger, number of them, a larger number of them, but definitely the non-wriggle ones would work. But I don't really want to go that, this wide for the rails around it. Otherwise, it just makes it big and bulky and not all that attractive. So I have to think about that. Might be those clampy ones that I've been talking about. But anyway, that initial look at the jig in combination with the MFT top has already shown me a demand on the top that's I hadn't considered. No, I don't want to make an individual plate this size and then that size because they're different sizes. I wanted to make the plate able to be used universally. So that's going to be something in development. I don't know whether that's going to work in the manner that I thought. So, and that's the idea of putting them in place, looking at them and going, oh, shite. Hadn't thought about that. So, and we overcome it, don't we? I do like this one for a couple of reasons. But yeah, I don't know whether I'd get the MFT version as tight as this without having some clampy sort of situation, which I've already talked about. So yeah, there's all that to think about. Pausing not for dramatic effect, pausing out of I'm not too certain. Rightio, I'm going to leave it alone because I haven't got an answer to that just yet. I'll have to have a little bit of a fiddle and then get back to you with a solution, hopefully. Rightio, that's it. I'm wandering off now. We'll see you later. Bye.